Alright, hello YouTube, another DevLog here. In this one I'll show you a little bit of how my progress is going, man. It's been going really amazing actually. Everything is so much better because as you can see I have a master suture of policies. So I have all my different types of policies that cannot be instead of which or switcher. And this is the only thing I'm gonna fix next. I'm gonna work on this one next. And now these are really centralized really well under Blueprint Function Library. And everything really should be under Blueprint Function Library. So this works so far. I'm just gonna put the data inside of the right variables. Inside of the right pointers, because as you can see, when I click this one, this works. It's a generic policy button clicked, man. This is really impressive if you know anything about programming or computer science. So I'll show you a little bit of how centralized this is, how generic, how agnostic this methodology right now is. So you see, I have these data now coming from the outside. Oops, something wrong, or no, probably not. Okay, so this is one, let's go, finished, false, goes in, and it creates it on runtime, man. This is really freaking good. And then I'm adding this to an array here. This is so generic, so agnostic, um, so modular, debugs, blah blah. And then it goes to dispatch, man, which is really efficient. We'll definitely change this one in the future though. So it goes there, then you click and it wakes up this dispatcher here, and it goes inside of here. This is really efficient though. The only things that are not currently working is this WBP blah 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 thing, whatever, because these are the wrong pointers. So once I change these ones, everything should be good to go. And take a look at this is my Blueprint Function Library. It's new. To compare this with my previous, you'll be shocked at how much more efficient this is. But anyway, I'm gonna close this one. This is how my game instance works right now. When I initialize, I'm doing load, set these there, and then I also have a data table, which is really good. Before I didn't have that policies. Look at this. And categories too. So I'm gonna discriminate by categories from this data table. And let's see what else. Then I'm adding every single thing inside of this array. So once you open the array, it should be good. It's inside of the game instance. So this is how you should be doing. You should be doing things the efficient way, right? And to show you how inefficient my previous thing was, look at all this. These were all the different buttons, and I had to go inside of every single one of them, right? You see? Look at all this. Look at the save, man. This is disgusting. You shouldn't even be looking at this at all. Right? Look at this. Get, remove, and if you want to add another thing, right? You gotta add another pan here, blah blah blah. And this still had problems, by the way. This didn't work. So this was a complete stupidity on my part. But yeah, this now works, right? I'm gonna do things the efficient way right now, and I'm improving little by little, every day, step by step. I'm making my game that much more efficient. So the other thing you saw was just really, what is it called? A template or a, what is it called? Yeah, not a template, but when you're doing your level design, right? And you bring these boxes inside, you do your blockouts, right? And then you add the details, and then you sculpt your level more, right? Let's say these are your buildings, then you add your windows, then you add these things, then you add every single detail, you add doors, right? This is how it works in real life. This is how you do things. Alright, anyways, that's it.